So when I uploaded my last video, somebody wanted me to show you how to do this kind of roof. So that is what we're going to do in this video. So what I'm going to do is select the roof tool, then actually delete all the roofs. Then we are going to go back to the ground floor plan. Once in the ground floor plan, let me just hide some things. I'm going to hide the site. So we are now on the ground floor. What you're going to do is that we are going to add our roof. So from this part, you select the roof tool, then press Ctrl D for settings. Then set your pitch. So the pitch that I used was 35 degrees. That is what we are still going to use. The other ones can just remain to be the same. Then we're going to click on center. Make sure that this construction method is selected, the complex. Then do this, click on each center. So once that is done, you can actually check your video on the 3D and see what you have. Since you have that roof like that, you have some parts projecting on that the house like that, so you actually want to cut them. So let's go back to ground floor, then select the roof once again, then right click, then click on split to set single plane roofs, then select the roof once again, press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup. Then now I'm going to activate the reference tool, the test tool. Then I'm going to choose my reference to be above story. Just press Ctrl A, then Ctrl T. I want to change something. I don't want the cover fields for the roof. I should be able to change, yeah, like that. What you have, as you can see, you have a wall right here. So what you're going to do is actually trim the parts that we don't want. So select each and every section. Since I don't need this one, I'll delete that. Then on this one, on this roof, I'm going to offset it, this edge up to this part here, and also on this part I'm going to offset it to this edge right here. Then this roof here, just need something different. I'm also going to offset this edge. Up to this wall here, right here. Then for this roof also, one thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to move this node. I'm just going to create a new node first. create a new node first. And that new node, I'm going to place it here. Sorry about that. Let me just undo. I messed up while placing that roof, so I'll just go with it the way it is. So I'm just going to place this node right here. Then actually do a line somewhere for my guiding. Guiding from this point. Just going to do a simple line like this, so that I know that when I move this node, I want to move this node up to this point, like that. When you shall look at the 3D, you shall find that you don't have a roof there current now. Now you have to remove this other one. This other one here. So what you're going to do in that roof, for this one, it's actually a cap for another roof. So I'll do a point here, new node. Sorry. I'm going to create another new node somewhere here. Then move all these nodes. I'm going to move this node to this part, that node. Then I move this other one to this other node here. As you can see, I'm having a wall here, so I'm going to create a new node here, another new node here, and then just another one right here, and another one at the center, so that we have that one there like that. And then also have this other wall here. So this is the node. We are going to move this one to this other side, to that wall. And actually do another node somewhere here, sorry. To have this one here, so that that roof doesn't project into that room, sorry. Then we'll do another node. And one that comes here. And we're actually going to do one that should be able to come here for that roof. Sorry about that, let me just extend this line so that you see where it should intersect. So this was the this should be its node should actually intersect at this point. So we'll have that. When you look at 3D will have something looking like this. Let me just hide the ceiling for some time. So that you can see what you have. So the only part of the roof that is not on the house that is remaining to be moved is this part. So we are going to achieve that also. Don't worry. Go back to the ground floor plan. So we have this other one. For this we are going to move. We are just going to offset this part. So offset that edge up to this point. Then also offset this part to that point, to this other point. So put like that. So we also have this other part. That part we are going to can just move this node to this point. For that, and then move this other node to this point. So we also have one here. So we'll just offset this. Also to this point. Then create a new node for this one. So we'll create a node here. Create another one here. Then just move the apex. Then just move the apex, this one, to the center like that. So the only one remaining is this one that we've not adjusted. So for this, actually create a new node. So I can actually create a new node somewhere. I'm going to create a new node here and another new node. I'm going to create one here, and we'll do another one like that. Then we also do another one for this one, for this point. So what you just do, just move one of these nodes. I'm going to move this one here, and it should actually split those one. Then I'm going to create another, move this other node this point, and it actually splits those roofs. And now we just move this node. No, you don't have to move that. Let me just move this other one back up to this point so that we get a right angle right here. That, and then move this other one back to this point like that. And now when you look at your 3D, all the roofs that were projecting inside the house, only one is remaining, and for this one you can just delete it. That one, you can just delete it like that. Now you have created that roof. Now you just have to go back to, although there is a certain problem here, but we'll just rectify that in a bit. This is basically how you do it. Let me see. This is just a roof on its own. You can just delete that. That one there is done and dusted like that. So the only thing is adjusting this one, this other roof, to this other plane. So that is what we're going to do. So where's that roof? This is the roof. So that is the roof. Just need to adjust this point, intersect that, and with that you will be done. Your roof shall be looking good, nicely done like that. And just like that you shall have been done. So for the other one, I think you are able to do the other one for the first floor, since that one is just pretty basic. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, share the video.